Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive Mechanic. Today we've got an Audi A5 that we just dropped down the cradle for the actual underneath the suspension cradle. So you can see it's all dropped off. So I put the engine on top here, and the reason why we're taking it out so we can actually replace the engine mount, which is one here. We've got one there. We've got one on the other side here. So now we're gonna show you the old one. This is the old engine mount. It's cracked in half. It's pretty much just vibrating there when you have the car on the actual idle. You can feel a big massive vibration from the engine. So we are taking it out to do it properly. So yeah, that's all in. We're going to do another video when we finish, but just to show that what we're doing today is the engine mount, and after that we can do the actual EGR cooler on top and clean the DPF down here as well. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.